Hi, it's Patricia from TGA Coaching. I hope you had a great long weekend. Today I learned about ergonomic keyboards. I learned several main factors in considering an ergonomic keyboard. One is whether the keys are sculpted. So our pinky fingers and our thumbs are shorter, middle fingers are longer. So sculpted keyboards, they have the keys kind of curved in for our middle fingers. So when we type, it's a more natural distance for every finger. I also learned that you can have keys split for your left and right hand fingers. So we're used to the standard keyboards where everything's lined up together, but with a split keyboard, then your arms can come in at a more natural angle because your left and right hands can be separated. So some of those keyboards, they just have all the keys together, angled, but you can also find keyboards where it's actually two different pieces. So one keyboard for the left, one keyboard for the right, even though they are still connected. I also learned that in addition to how we usually see the top of the keyboard can tilt up, that's called tenting. You also can get sloping, where the keys towards your thumbs are higher up than your keys towards your pinky fingers. Anyway, lots of things to consider if you are having any kind of discomfort with your arms and hands from too much typing. Take a look, see if there's something that can help you. All right, see you tomorrow.